Hi, I'm Mads Christensen, and I want to give you a brief tour of some of the new features in Visual Studio 2019. Let's start with the brand new and super fast search experience that lets you find anything in Visual Studio, from menu items to tool windows, settings, and more. The new fuzzy search logic will find anything you need regardless of typos. To change the font size in the editor, I can simply search for font, which brings me right into the Tools options where I can make the change. New refactorings in C# makes it easier to organize your code. If you, for example, want to move a method up into the interface that the class implements, simply invoke the refactorings by hitting Ctrl- and selecting the right action. Now the method has been added to the interface. Many other refactorings have been added, including ones that let you wrap method parameters. To implement the Eat Breakfast method, I want to create a new food type to pass into the Eat method below. To do that, I'm going to use Search to add class. That brings up the Add New Item dialog, and I'm going to create a class called Banana. This class is going to implement the iFood interface from my project. I'm going to use a refactoring here to implement the interface. And it's only a single property that's going to return true in this case. So now I can simply create a new instance of a banana. Then we call the method, and notice how Visual Studio automatically suggests the newly created banana instance to pass as the first parameter to the method. This is a new feature called IntelliCode that uses machine learning to predict the most likely item in the current context and marks it with a star and moves it to the top of the list. This works for other types as well and is a real time saver. Notice how Visual Studio has detected a violation of the code style that I or my team has defined and is giving me a quick and easy way to fix it. But instead of fixing them one at a time, I can now use the new Code Clean feature that can be configured to contain multiple profiles with one or more of the available code fixers. Cleaning the whole document is now just a click or keyboard shortcut away.